Martine here. So once you settle on a Black Friday offer for your business, use these following 4 steps to sell your Black Friday offer. Step 1, grow your following and awareness for your brand. Every launch needs a plan to grow awareness. So how will you get more eyeballs on your offer? Think about what your pre-launch strategy will be. You will need to get your message in order so you can build anticipation. Will you use social media to grow your followings? What platform? This step is called launch runway because it preps your warmest leads to buy. Step 2, grow your waitlist email list. In these steps, you'll announce your Black Friday sale is coming and work on ways to capture leads and grow your email list so you can reach more of your subscribers with your offer. So you can create an early waitlist, opt in to build anticipation, or create a lead magnet to add value to your audience and is closely related to the topic of your offer. To get them excited about joining the waiting list, you can try creating a freebie, hosting a webinar, hosting giveaway, creating a mini challenge, or whatever you need to do to get your audience charged up. Step 3, nurture and convert your lead with emails. How will you convert those on your wait list into buyers when Black Friday comes? Using email lists and social media is how most entrepreneurs find success. My best advice is to send 1 email every day of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale and 2 emails on the last day of your sale. Step 4, follow up. How will you follow up after Black Friday? An often overlooked step. You are actually leaving money on the table if you don't follow up with people who didn't end up buying on Black Friday. Maybe they just have more questions or need more time or need more info. So get their feedback, ask why they didn't buy in an email or by posting a poll. You can also ask, how can you improve the offer as well? And don't forget to get the holiday sales kit. This kit comes with marketing guides, email and social media template built to help you grow excitement before and during Black Friday, Cyber Monday launch.